Good morning everyone. So today we're gonna go from Chaweng to Crystal Bay Beach. So we just arrived with a taxi. We paid 100 baht per each, and then we're gonna go to the Crystal Bay Yacht Club. Actually, we used to stay here in this villa in the left side. Not this one, the second one. Wow. So we arrived here at the Crystal Bay Beach Yacht Club. They offer us to sit there in the front. One chair costs like 200 baht with umbrella and towels. It costs like 500 baht. So we decided to just stay anywhere in the beach. Alright guys, so we just finished at the beach. Now we're gonna grab something to eat. As you know, I've been here last year, so we know a couple of restaurants that offers really good food. So let's go. I arrived at this restaurant. It's one of my favorite here in Samui. They offer really nice curry, different type. So let's go and try it. Sawadee. So can I have the ginger tea?
Yeah, cold or
Hot. And also yellow curry with the chicken, please.
yellow curry chicken?
Yes.
Yeah, honey onion.
So we went to another restaurant just for grabbing something to drink. They were actually more or less like friends. We wanted to say hi. They were so happy to see us again. And now we finished. It's almost like 1:30, super hot. Now we're finding a taxi to go back to Chaweng. Finally getting a taxi. This taxi. Let's see if it's possible. Apparently, yes. So we're back finally to Chaweng. Now we're at Central Samui to grab some coffee. We almost finished for today. I hope you liked this video. And just let me know if you have been to Crystal Beach before and if you really liked it. So over the next episode we're gonna explore more islands think we're gonna go for a 2 weeks trip to Koh Phangan. So stay tuned and see you soon.